Welcome back to another video by 12th Istik. In this video, we will be discussing about Organization of Commerce and Management, Standard 12, Chapter number 3, a new chapter that is Entrepreneurship Development on page number 37 of your textbook. So, let us have a quick review of the chapter. In this chapter, you have introduction, history, concept, definition, characteristics of an entrepreneur, qualities of a successful entrepreneur, functions of an entrepreneur, entrepreneurship development, recent initiative by entrepreneurship development and entrepreneur. So, let us begin with the chapter 3, entrepreneurship development, page number 37. Introduction. Entrepreneurship is a full-time job which requires dedication and hard work. So, entrepreneurship, it is such an activity where it requires your hard work, efforts and dedication. So, entrepreneurship एक ऐसा job होता है which is it is a full-time job. इस job में योर हार्ड वर्क, योर डेडिकेशंस, बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स, मेहनत लगाना पड़ता है. Entrepreneurs are innovators. So these entrepreneurs, they are the creators. They create new jobs. So that is the reason why they have to work very hard with full dedication, with efforts. They are owners, producers, market creators, decision takers and risk takers. So entrepreneurs जो होते हैं, they are the owners of their own business. They are the market creators because they bring in market various new innovative things. They are the decision takers. वो उनके product के, उनके वस्तु का they take their own decisions. And also if in the market risk factor is also involved, so they are also the risk takers. Like अभी मार्केट में एज इट इज़ अ कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड, बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स है, सो रिस्क लेना ज़रूरी है. सो ऑल्सो दे आर द रिस्क टेकर्स. Entrepreneurs are referred to as the fourth factor of production along with the other factors of production such as the land, labor and capital. So as we know that three factors of productions होते हैं which is land, labor and capital. But यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि this is the fourth factor of production, that is entrepreneurs. They generate employment opportunities, so they are the backbone of nation's economic progress. So as they give employment, as they give opportunity for all the other people who need the job, so it is called as the backbone of national progress, economic progress. They play a very important role in the development of the country. So ये जो entrepreneurs है, they are very important for the betterment and for the development of the country. For example, we can take the example of Ambani's who has owned Reliance. So they are also, this is termed as an entrepreneurs. They have their own business. They take own decisions. There are certain risks involved. They are the owners. They are the producers. So that is called as an entrepreneur. Next we have is the history. In the early 16th century, the term entrepreneur was used by Frenchman to denote men leading in military expeditions. Around 1700 AD, the term was used in France for contractors or architects. So, in this history it is been specified that 16th century में ये जो word है, ये जो term है entrepreneur, वो this word was given by a Frenchman and it was denoting about the military expeditions. Then around 1700 AD, again this word, that is entrepreneur, was used in France for the contractors and for the architects people. By the early 18th century, the term was applied to business and economic activity by the French economist Richard Cantillon. So in the 18th century, this term that is entrepreneur, it was applied to business and economic activities. Economic activities means in return where we get money. Turn to next page number 38. In 1848, the famous economist John Stuart Mill described entrepreneurship as the founding of a private enterprise. So 1848 में एक बहुत ही famous economist था, उसका नाम था John Stuart Mill. He described the term entrepreneurship as who founds, that is who invents, who start up a new private business, that is called as entrepreneurship. As far as India is concerned, several factors are responsible for the slow growth of entrepreneurship in pre-independent India. At the time of independence, the industrial base of our economy was very poor. So, इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस मिलने के पहले इंडिया का ग्रोथ वाज वेरी स्मॉल, बट आफ्टर गेटिंग इंडिपेंडेंस the economy that is the finance, the money, so the economy that India was having was very poor. The industries were facing many difficulties like shortage of raw materials, shortage of capital, marketing problems, etc. So जो वहाँ के टाइम के जो इंडस्ट्रीज थे, कंपनीज थे, वो लोग के पास रॉ मटेरियल्स भी नहीं थे, फाइनेंस का प्रॉब्लम था, कैपिटल का प्रॉब्लम था, मशीनरीज नहीं थे, मार्केटिंग के प्रॉब्लम्स थे, सो बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स थे एट द टाइम ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. हाउएवर, the Indian government is considerably enhancing the ease of doing business, but however now the Indian government is trying hard to cope up with this problem. Then concept. The concept of entrepreneur varies from industry to industry, country to country, as well as from time to time. So ये जो concept है, the concept of entrepreneurs, ये एक company से एक दूसरे company, it is different. From one country to another country, it is also different. And time to time, it is also different. तो ये बहुत ही अलग अलग है. Economists never had a consistent definition of entrepreneur or entrepreneurship. So entrepreneur and entrepreneurship का एक ऐसा specific definition नहीं दिया गया है. The word entrepreneur comes from the French verb entreprendre, which means to undertake. An entrepreneur is a person who starts a business, is willing to risk loss in order to make money. So entrepreneur is a person who is starting his own new business, who will undertake the risk and also he will make money out of it. So entrepreneur is that person जो उसका खुद का वो business open करेगा, जो risk factor है that he will bear, and also sometimes he will get profit in the terms of money also. The common keyword businessman and risk are interrelated. So business and risk ये एक interrelated terms है. अगर आपका बिजनेस है तो आपको आपके बिजनेस में रिस्क फैक्टर होगा ही होगा, कहीं ना कहीं तो यू हैव टू फेस अ रिस्क, you have to face loss also, and also you have to face a profit also. If there is no real business or risk, a person cannot be called as entrepreneur. So अगर वो business में risk factor नहीं है तो this cannot be called as an entrepreneur. So in business risk factor is there, loss is there, and you get profit also. The small businessman who has founded your neighborhood grocery shop is an entrepreneur. तो एक छोटा सा आदमी जिसका खुद का एक ग्रोसरी स्टोर है, दैट इज किराना का दुकान है, सो दैट पर्सन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज एन entrepreneur. Why? Because he is having that small business. The founder of a startup laundry सर्विस अक्रॉस द स्ट्रीट इज एन entrepreneur. सो जो लॉन्ड्री वाले होते हैं हम लोग के आजू बाजू के एरिया में, सो दैट पर्सन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज एन entrepreneur because he is having his own business. The founder of the multi-million Reliance company limited with high-tech world-leading application is an entrepreneur. So Reliance company का जो owner है, that person is also called as the entrepreneurs. Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, it is also called as, he is also the entrepreneur. The freelancing plumbing who works for himself drains is also an entrepreneur. So एक एक नॉर्मल सा प्लम्बर, दैट प्लम्बर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. Entrepreneurship means the willingness of an individual to start a new business venture by taking risks and managing it in the technology enabled competitive global environment. So entrepreneurship एक ऐसा टर्म है जहाँ पे एक इंडिविजुअल, जहाँ पे एक व्यक्ति अपना न्यू बिजनेस स्टार्ट करती है. would start a new business, जो कुछ भी रिस्क है, अंडरटेक्स द रिस्क, वो रिस्क को मैनेज करती है एंड ऑल्सो मेक्स प्रॉफिट. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू बिजनेस, facing risk, facing loss, facing profit, earning money in the global competitive world in the 21st century. So this is termed as an entrepreneurship. The entrepreneurs are passionate to innovate, lead, invent or pioneer with a disruptive product or technology. So ये जो entrepreneurs होते हैं, they have a passion to innovate new things, to lead. So this is called as an entrepreneur who has the passion, who leads from the front, who invent new things. The size of the business, the type of work involved, the age or the formal education of the entrepreneurs, etc. do not restrict the entry of entrepreneurs. So the size of the company, whether it is small or big, the age, formal education क्या है, आपके qualifications क्या है, this all does not matter. एक बूढ़ा आदमी भी एक entrepreneur हो सकता है. For example, we have of KFC. That person is very old, but still he is the founder and he is the entrepreneur of KFC. Similarly, the label of success or failure does not matter. Entrepreneurs are the person who have courage to offer and to share an idea or product or services with the world. So entrepreneurs is such a person who has the courage in the mind to offer and to share the ideas also of that services to the entire world. They try to make market a better place where the need of consumers can be satisfied. So entrepreneurs एक ऐसे person होते हैं जो अपने products, अपने services लेके market में आते हैं और consumers के and customers and clients के क्या needs है वो satisfy करते हैं. So this is the concept of entrepreneurs. Let's see the definition. Howard Stevenson, a long-time professor at Howard Business School, defines entrepreneurship is the pursuit of opportunities beyond resources control. So it is the opportunity that the person has been getting to start the business. Webster's definition gives a definition as an entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to take a risk loss in order to make money. So Webster's dictionary says that एंटरप्रेन्योर एक ऐसा पर्सन होता है जो अपना खुद का बिजनेस चालू करता है, रिस्क भी उसको उठाना पड़ता है, बट वो एट द एंड वो पैसे भी कमा लेता है. Then turn to next page number 39. The Oxford English Dictionary defines an entrepreneur is a person who organizes and operates a business or businesses taking on greater than normal financial risk in order to do so. So the Oxford Dictionary says that an entrepreneur is such a person who takes the risk, in related to the money terms also, whether he is having one business or whether he has a many business. So this is it with just the introductory part of the chapter entrepreneurship development. In my next video, we will continue this lesson further. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel 12th Istik. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye-bye.